comes to challenges in operating in the littoral, and specifically in this case, if I wanted to focus on the Arctic, they are numerous.
I think the littoral itself is a very challenging environment, and if you can use that, then you have a very good friend. And if you cannot use it, you will have a terrible adversary.
I think it's important to think through the dynamics of the Arctic based on the realities of the physical geography and the human dimension to see, is there areas of concern? If there's areas of concern, let's deal with those early.
It's a unique opportunity for people like myself, the industry, and also the academic world to come together and discuss these things.
And if we find better mechanisms of cooperation through endeavors such as this workshop, it's important to bring those thoughts together, because workshops bring great minds to work tough problems, to hopefully not only assess concerns, but then propose solutions.
It's great to have these people here, 8 different countries, over 100 people.
The progression of what we've looked at for operations and technologies in the littoral environments have all built on each other, I can honestly say. From the first one that I attended in Japan, which clearly looked at the Pacific, we looked at the littoral environment of South America and Central America, and now we're in the high north, and the timing of these each couldn't have been better.
Okay, so our expertise at the Center for the Study of New Generation Warfare is to do very pointed wargaming simulations. So we were asked to come into what is normally a workshop made up of panels and saying, could you infuse the energy of a war game into the process? And so now what we've done is we've taken people that have sat through 2 days of hearing our scenarios as well as 7 panels, and now we divided this diverse and very talented and intelligent audience into 3 separate groups. One's looking at technology, and then another one's upstairs looking at policy issues and Alaskan operations. And we've asked each to spend an hour, after all you've seen and learned and debated and talked about for 2 days, to produce an output that would be informative to the leaders, in this case primarily sponsored by navies of the United States and Canada, but others would also benefit from it.
What we take away from this is going to be the 4th set of conclusions in 4 optechs. So I then hope we can take this to a central location, perhaps back to Monterey, and pull in the experts again there and do a kind of a wrap-up where we pull in the common threads from all 4.